Hi, I am from PC Error Detective, and in today's video, I will show you how to turn off Caps Lock notification in Windows 11, so you can stop seeing pop-ups when you press Caps Lock. This tutorial will guide you step by step, making it easy to follow. Step 1. Type Control Panel in the Windows search bar and click Control Panel. The Control Panel is where you can access many system settings, and this is the first step to reach keyboard settings. Step 2. Click Ease of Access Center. This section helps you adjust accessibility options for your computer, including keyboard notifications. Step 3. Click Make the keyboard easier to use.
Always scan
this
this
page lets
section.
you modify how your keyboard behaves, which is where you can disable notifications like caps lock alerts. Step 4. Uncheck. Turn on toggle keys and also uncheck turn on toggle keys by holding down the numlock key for 5 seconds. This will prevent Windows from playing sounds or showing notifications when caps lock or numlock is pressed. Step 5. Click Make it easier to focus on tasks. This option reduces unnecessary distractions on your screen to help you work more efficiently. Step 6. Check. Turn off all unnecessary animations when possible.
Always scan this
ensures that
section.
Windows does not show extra visual effects that might include pop-ups or notifications. Step 7. Click Apply and then click OK. This saves all your changes and turns off the caps lock notification completely. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the PC Error Detective channel